It's time to rethink revenue. Let's talk about 0 point selling. Let's go. So over the last 20 years, we've come to understand the way marketing and sales works from a much, much different perspective. We started to think, how can we get salespeople to actually sell things? How can we help organizations bring information to their salespeople using CRM? The idea here is that every company wants to be data-driven. It allows for a deeper dive into who your customer base is and how people are buying from these businesses. Enter ZPS, 0 point selling. The concept here is that we figure out where the beginning of the sales cycle starts. Most of the time on the digital realm, or a data point that comes up most in the beginning, is email address. Well, that's not the only thing that you can use. There's some data that we can get to that helps you reach out from a marketing perspective and simplify your overall approach. And we look at the platforms that people are operating on or consuming information, like YouTube, like LinkedIn, like Facebook, and we add a little bit of sequence to that. What we end up with is a really, really good way to go after an audience that builds itself and shares its attention with you. What do we need for that? Well, we need the 0 point. The 0 point. The 0 point. What does that mean? First name, last name, and zip code is all you need to start marketing. Why? Well, because that's all that Facebook asks for. Now, when we get into this discussion, many businesses, especially successful old school selling businesses, talk to me about Facebook. Our customers aren't on Facebook, is what they say to me. Our customers aren't on LinkedIn. That's what they say to me. Our customers don't get on YouTube and look at videos. That's what they say to me. But what we know is that there are 2.6 billion people on Facebook with a B. That's a lot of people. There are 7.6 billion people in the world. There are 700 million people on LinkedIn. And the YouTube platform is the second largest search engine next to the platform that owns it, which is Google. Everyone is looking at videos. So make videos, offer Facebook ads with the right messaging set, and reach out to professionals, especially in the B2B marketing place on LinkedIn. It's a winning combination. So if we do the math on the flip side of that, how many people aren't on the platform? How many people aren't looking at videos? That's the real question. If you want to continue listening to what data-driven selling is all about and how 0 point selling can help your focus, how it can zero in on your audience and your personas, sign up down below for an orientation. Let's meet. Let's talk about how your company can transition into data-driven selling to create a sales record going into next year. We appreciate your time. Good fortune.